My God, it's been weeks since I've been up to the plot, and you sure can tell. I'll give you a quick look-see in a second. As soon as I step out from behind the shed, it's as windy as hell. And no, that's not my ass talking, that's literal wind, actual wind. So I don't know how this is going to sound on the camera. We'll wing it. If you don't like it, you can always just watch something else. Anyway, the grapevine is going mental. I think I've got a blackbird's nest in there. Just seen one fly in and then fly out. So I'm not going to disturb them too much. Look at this hell here. I brought the strimmer up. As you can tell, it does need doing. Have a smell of these guys. Get your nostrils in there. Sweet peas are looking superb. I'm going to be taking a cutting today. Always keep these flowers cut. You don't want the plant to go to seed too early. Weeds from hell. Looking terrible. So that's what I'm up here primarily to do. Strim and weed today. What are these? Oh my God, the dwarf French beans just look crap this year. They've been pecked, hammered, I don't know, butchered by slugs, beaten up by pigeons, and what else? Beetroot look awesome. Lettuce under there, carrots under there, haven't done the reveal. Parsnips looking delicious, and it's starting to rain. Oh, thank you. Broad beans looking okay. I'm going to be taking some fairly soon. There we go. They're doing alright, aren't they? Finally, one of my pumpkins has taken. Fingers crossed we get a big one later on in the year. The other one is hanging on for dear life. I think there might be something in that. Only time will tell. Now these bloody things have gone mental. The purple sprouting broccoli. Put a net over them and they are now loving life. The onions have picked up. God, can you hear me over this wind? The onions have picked up after their early setback with the allium leaf minor. As you can see, these are going to be okay come the autumn. This little beauty here is my secret weapon. It is a cabbage. In fact, it's not a cabbage at all, I'm lying to you. It's something, and all will be revealed later on in the season. This makes me very happy that it's actually taken. Lavender, flowers, fruit. Christ, I am Monty Don. Broad beans down here. Lettuce getting absolutely ravaged. Weeds are going to have to be dealt with. Got a solid row of carrots and weeds. A row of parsnips and weeds. Potatoes. And then finally, flowers. These big alliums have now gone to seed. There we go. As have the lupins. Might do a bit of seed saving this year. I say that every year, never do it. So I'm probably talking out my ass. Alright. That's the plot roundup. Now I need to get strimming and weeding. I'll probably tackle this bed at some point. And like I said, just have one quick last look at the state of grass on the plot, because the next time I pick up the camera, hopefully most of this will be strimmed. Let's do it! that fella there, and then where's the other one? That one there, and I think there's another one there. If you see these guys on your plot, don't kill them. They are ladybirds, juvenile ladybirds, and they help eat these guys here. The black fly. I've got one broad bean plant which is infested with it. I'm going to deal with it in a second. I'll kill off a lot of those black fly by just squishing them. But these guys, they do love to feed on black fly. So they're the good guys. Don't kill them. Well, apart from that, this bed is full of weeds, as you can see. So let's do one of these. Clean, or clean-ish up to that point there. Let's tackle this bed. Let's see how far I get with this one. Done. Oh my god, I really am losing the will to live at the moment. I've got this little seed bed which does need weeding. I don't know if I can be asked to give it a real good going over. I might just give it a light weed and call it that. 5 minutes of rough weeding over. This is what we have left. Can you see that lettuce there, which is kind of chewed to bits? That's very strange because this complete row was undercover, so I don't know why that one's been attacked by something. It's not slugs. I don't see any slug slime or any slugs in the area. I've got a very worrying feeling in the pit of my stomach that that could be rabbits. Oh, dear God, I hope it isn't. Anyhow, you can see I had a weird patchy germination thing going on here in the center. What I'm going to do now is split up that clump and create one solid straight line of lettuce, and I'll cover them back up again and chart their progress. I want to see if any more are getting nibbled on. Alright, I'll do that ever so quickly. So that's all of them dug up. Now to replant them down there. Right, I've replanted those 10 there. I am going to do a better job at covering them up. And then these 5 here are going to be sacrificial lambs. And when I come back next, if they've all been stripped, I reckon it's rabbits. Alright, let's have a roundup of what's been done. Grass has been trimmed. French beans are dying. Check. Sweet peas are having a go. Probably gonna die, gonna live, who knows, probably gonna live. Fine. Fingers crossed. What in the ass is that, and why have I got this huge shark cage around it, all just to protect that which I think is dying? That there is a cucumber plant that I bought from a garden centre. As you can see, I've got a very, very effective rabbit-proof fence right there. That's my phone, ignore that. Peas, dead, check. Secret vegetable, doing well. Double thumbs up. Weeds. Onions and weeds living side by side. Onions hate weeds. I've got to get to weeding it. Honestly, I can't be bothered now. Purple sprouting broccoli, doing mentally good. Will it live? Fingers crossed. A real rough ass bunch of runner beans that I grew and kind of forgot about and left them in the pot, and now they've just sort of like kind of, well, they're that basically. They're a tangled mess. I got this obelisk and that's it. That's for them. If they can't be bothered to use it, then whatever. And that's about it. I'm cream crackered today. Flowers and weeds. Again, fruit, but not doing a lot. My dad's bit, broad beans, doing well. There's a lot of weeds. I'll probably come up in the next couple of days and get stuck into this bit here. But for now, for me anyhow, a typically lazy gardener, I think I actually put half a shift in today. Look at that. It's not bad, is it? That's not bad for me. Oh. So then, was that the greatest plot transformation ever? Absolutely not. But was it the greatest gardening video ever? Yes. Alright, that's it from me for this one. Why would you bother watching this channel when there are so many other better gardening channels out there? I don't know, but you keep coming back for more. And long may it continue. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. If you have, remember to hit the like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to. Give it a thumbs up. But most importantly of all, please do comment down below. And until the next one, bye for now.